Hi guys, Nicole here with your next tip for Google Ad Grant success. I get this a lot from not-for-profit organizations. They feel that their ad grant can only bid a maximum of $2 cost per click in the auction. This is a really common misconception as this rule actually went out the window a couple years back. So in order to bid more than $2 at the auction, you need to utilize a conversion-based bid strategy. And I highly recommend starting off using maximized conversions. So how do you know if your account is using a conversion-based bid strategy? I'm going to show you really quick how to check. And then if you are not utilizing a conversion-based bid strategy, I'm also going to show you very quickly how you can change it so that your ads are competitive on the search engine results page. Let's get to it. So first, how do you check what bid strategy your campaigns are utilizing? So you want to navigate into your Google Grant account, which is ads.google.com. In the left navigation panel, make sure that you've selected all campaigns. Navigate to the second left navigation panel and hit campaigns again. Now this will give us a good view of all of the campaigns that are in our account currently. Okay. Now it's just as easy as navigating over to the bid strategy type column, and you'll be able to see right here that all of these campaigns are using maximized conversions. Okay. So this is one of the bid strategies that will allow us to bid over $2 in the auction. Okay. And now if this column is not up for you, all you have to do is click on the columns here, modify columns, and you'll just type in bid strategy type right here. You'll click to add this to the columns, and then you will simply hit apply. Okay. So that is a simple, quick way to check if you are using a bid strategy that will allow you to bid over $2 in the auction. Now, what happens if you notice perhaps that 2 of your campaigns are using max conversions, and then you see 3 campaigns are using max clicks? So how do you change those campaigns that are using the incorrect bid strategy? So what you'll go ahead and do is click into the campaign that's incorrect. Now navigate to the settings panel, navigate over and click the down arrow in the bidding section to expand out the bid strategy. Hit change bid strategy, and then you can hit or select a bid strategy directly. Now you'll hit the down arrow and make sure that you use a bid strategy that is conversion based. Okay, so we're looking at maximize conversions here or maximize conversion value. So you'll go ahead and click maximize conversions, and you don't need to set a target cost per action in this case, and just hit save. And it's just that simple. So that is how you update your bid strategy in your Google Ad Grant account. Now you will notice that your campaigns will likely start performing a bit better when you do change to maximize conversions, because this simply allows Google to bid more than $2 in the auction, right? So we can see $5.45 and $4.89. That is a quick way to check if you're using a bid strategy that lets you bypass that $2 cap. Secondly, how to change your bid strategy if you are using one of those old bid strategies that is keeping that $2 ceiling on your account. Now, I'm going to be giving away 5 free strategy sessions to the first people that sign up. We're going to jump on a Zoom call. You're going to screen share your account, and I'll give you my advice and any quick wins that I can see in your account. So if you want to take advantage of this incredible offering and want my fresh eyes over your ad grant account, go ahead and click the link below and book a meeting into my calendar. Thanks, guys.